So we're going to be looking at how to find your variance using Microsoft Excel. So with me, I've got a data set here. If you've got your own data set that you can use, go ahead and use your data set. But in this case, I'm going to be using my data set, and in particular, we're going to be looking at income right here. So to find the variance of our income, it's going to be equal to variance. So you've got the variance of the population and the variance of the sample. So for a population, it's got a P on it. So we're going to use population in this case. So Control Shift down arrow just to highlight everything to do with income in this column. And you just press your enter sign, and there you have it. That's your variance of a population. Then for a sample, we're just going to change the P to S, identifying it as a sample, and there you have it. That's your variance of a sample.